It is your girl, Tiffany, back at you again with another, video. And today, you guys, I am going to be doing a family movie night, family movie day treat that you guys can do with your small children while we're on this. So stay tuned to this video. Okay, you guys, so what am I making? I am making circus theme animal cookie popcorn, you guys. That is our treat for family movie night or family movie day. So, what are you going to need to make this circus theme animal cookie popcorn? You are going to need, first of all, guys, you're going to need your animal cookies. And I purchased these from my local grocery store, you guys. And this is a pretty big bag. I got 14 ounces in here. So this is a pretty big bag of animal crackers. And I think I only paid like maybe $2 and something for this bag. But you see, you got your all different types of animal cookies in there. Your giraffes, your lions, your bears. They're all in there, you guys. So that's going to be your main ingredient, what you need. You're going to need popcorn, you guys. You can use microwave popcorn. You can use kettle corn, whatever your preference is. If you like the mixed caramel and cheese popcorn, you can use that. It's circus theme, you guys. And what goes on at circuses? Exactly. But let's move on. I'm going to use some candy melts because I'm going to dip my animal cookies, some of them, in candy melts. So I'm using, you guys, I love these Wilton candy melts. And I'm using bright pink. And I'm also going to be using my white baking chocolate, and I'm just going to dip some of my animal cookies in this too. So I'm going to have white and pink. I'm going to be using some coconut oil, and this helps the Wilton candy melts to melt a little bit faster and better, you guys. You're going to need a glass bowl or a Pyrex glass. And when I pour my candy melts in here, you guys, and my baking chocolate, I'm going to pour half, well, probably like a cup full. I'm going to pour a cup full in there of each, the candy melts and the baking chocolate, you guys. And I'm going to be using my plastic knife to spread on the chocolate. Or you can use tweezers to dip your cookies. If I can locate my baking tweezers, I'll use them. But if not, you guys will see me using this knife, this plastic knife right here. And I'm going to be using the non-pearls. And I got this color, you guys. Hold on. The rainbow ones. Or you can use the rainbow sprinkles, you guys. Doesn't matter. But first things first. And I think I'm going to do white. I'm going to start with the white first. So I'm just going to pour these in my glass, and I'll be back. I'm going to melt these, you guys. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I am ready to spread my chocolate on. I decided that I'm going to spread it on with the plastic knife, you guys. I'm going to have my animal cookies, which I'm going to spread out on the cookie baking sheet. And I got on my handy dandy gloves, you guys, see? So let's get these cookies on this tray. So I'm going to put a few of them on there. As you can see, you guys? Got all different types of animals in here. Elephants, camels, another elephant, giraffes. You guys get the picture. So I'm going to start with these over here, you guys. Okay. Gotta fill it up. I need to use both of my hands, so I'm going to grab another glove, you guys, and put it on. Even though it's for myself, I'm practicing. Not practicing, but I do it anyways. Even though this is for myself, you guys. But I'm doing it because of the, you know. That's what we're going to call the CV. The you know. Okay. So I'm going to take my animal. And I'm going to frost the little guy. And I'm going to grab another little guy. Gonna lay him down. I'm gonna grab another little guy. You guys, so it's 70 degrees where I am right now. Almost 70. And the you know is not keeping silly people in. Yeah, silly people, you guys. They're treating this day as if the you know doesn't exist. So, I tell ya. Okay, I'm going to take these little cute little rainbow sprinkles, you guys. And I'm just going to sprinkle them on. And see, you guys, we're going to let those dry. And I'm just going to continue on with my process frosting these little guys. Frosting and talking to who's ever out there listening, watching my videos. And no, I don't have my helper with me, you guys. Not today. So I'm on my own. But you guys, these are good little treats that you can make for your small children if you are having like a family movie day or movie night. Just basically little treat ideas you could come up with to make your day special. The time that you're spending with your family special. You guys. Creating a lot of memories. That's what I'll say. Creating lots of memories. Okay. So you guys too, I also have another page. I really haven't been concentrating on my page, the other page, the second page, as much as my party page. But my second page is about a brand that I created, you guys. And it's called, don't take this wrong, you guys, but it is such savage words, I say. But it's savage words with a meaning, you guys. So the name is Mouth Murderer, and that is the brand that I am working with right now, that I have created for myself. And it's dealing with what comes out of your mouth, how it can affect people, how it can affect people in many ways, you guys. And it's just basically talking about how you can stop mouth murdering people. And I have basically researched my Bible on the topic about the mouth, just to let people know that I'm just not selling a t-shirt. If you're going to buy a t-shirt from me, I want you to know the meaning of what you're buying, not just to buy it. So that's why I have created a second YouTube page for my t-shirt merchandise. But you guys will get to hear and understand what mouth murdering is. Me and my husband are doing this channel. So you guys, I will include the link in my description box if you're interested. Or you can just type in mouth murderer and you will see me in my t-shirt that you guys will be able to purchase. And I have, guys, I have many more sayings lined up, but I'm just going to deal with the one that you will see me wearing on my page. So on my second channel, I should say, you guys. So I ask, if you understand my brand, that you would support it, you guys. It's positive. Positivity we need in the world today. But back to the street making. I now have finished sprinkling my cookies. I mean, frosting my cookies. What am I talking about? Frosting my cookies, and now I'm sprinkling them, you guys. And I'm going to start on the pink ones. I'm going to melt my pink chocolate, and I'll be back.